Hello and welcome to the Gardening on a Budget series, where we will show you a collection of interesting gardening topics. Start a home garden with just Rs. 500, Episode 1.
Dreaming of a lush home garden, but worried about the cost? Don't be. You can kickstart a beautiful and thriving home garden with just 500, and it's easier than you think.
And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.
All it takes is a little planning, a bit of creativity, and a passion for growing your own greens. Whether you live in an apartment or have a small balcony or terrace, gardening on a budget is totally possible and incredibly rewarding. Start with the essentials. Buy a small pack of potting soil for around $50 and a few basic planters or recycled containers, like old bottles, buckets, or yogurt cups, which can be sourced for free or under $100. Seeds for herbs and vegetables like coriander, spinach, fenugreek, tomato, and green chili are incredibly affordable, often just $10 to $30 per packet. These fast-growing plants give you quick results, which is motivating and great for beginners. Next, focus on natural, cost-effective care. Skip chemical fertilizers and instead use your kitchen waste. Vegetable peels, used tea leaves, and fruit scraps can be turned into compost at home, saving money and enriching your soil. Watering cans can be replaced with old bottles or mugs, and neem oil, available for $50 to $100, works wonders as a natural pest repellent. Gardening tools? Start with just your hands or a simple spoon for digging. You don't need fancy gear, just consistency and care. Within a few weeks, you'll see sprouts turning into vibrant plants, and the joy of picking your own herbs or veggies is priceless. Starting a garden with 500 isn't just possible, it's empowering. It connects you to nature, saves you money on groceries, and adds a refreshing green touch to your home.
Stay tuned for the next chapter.